Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sidebar navigation UX in Next.js detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will cover how to restore sidebar navigation UX in Next.js. First, ensure you have a Next.js project set up. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Next, install the required dependencies for the sidebar functionality. You can use a UI library like Material UI or Bootstrap for the sidebar components. Once the dependencies are installed, create a new component for the sidebar. In the sidebar component, import the necessary styles and icons. Define the structure of the sidebar using a functional component. Use a list to represent the navigation items within the sidebar. For each navigation item, ensure that you include routing capabilities using the Next.js link component. Set up internal state to manage active links and potentially open submenus. If your sidebar needs to be collapsible, use local state to manage its open and closed states. Style the sidebar to fit your application's design guidelines, ensuring it is visually appealing. Next, integrate the sidebar component into your main layout. Ensure that the sidebar component is rendered alongside any main content area. Use CSS Grid or Flexbox for responsive design, so the sidebar adjusts on different screen sizes. Test the sidebar functionality by clicking through the navigation links. If you encounter any issues, check your console for possible errors in routing or component rendering. Once everything works smoothly, revisit your design for final touches and enhancements. Consider implementing animations for opening and closing the sidebar, enhancing user experience. Finally, ensure the sidebar maintains accessibility standards for all users. This completes the process of restoring sidebar navigation UX in Next.js. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.